Hey, it's Hannah with WTI and meet your new favorite steam mop from GorFanty.
As someone who cleans houses for a living, I hate cleaning my own house when I get home. I feel like there's too much to do. But now that I have this mop, I am completely obsessed with cleaning my house. I love everything about the steam mop, how it can transform from a regular steam mop with this fantastic adjustable handle that can be nice and tall to a handheld steam mop that can get into every crack and crevice. It has 10 accessories for your entire home, so you can clean literally everything. It goes from windows to carpets to floors to I was cleaning out my ice maker because that gets gross. And this thing does an amazing job. I think it is absolutely top tier for steam mops.
I feel like my house has never been so clean, and it's all thanks to this steam mop. I am completely obsessed with it, and I couldn't recommend it more. And that's my point of view.